Xiaomi Mi A2, and let me show you how to change date and time settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the power key. Let's unlock the screen. Here let's find and select the settings. From the list of settings you need to find and select the system. Choose here date and time. As you can see right now, I've got automatic date and time and automatic time zone, so everything is set up automatically by using my network provider, but I can disable those options, and right now I can set my exact date, I can change the time, I can also select the time zone. So that's it, everything is right here, but in my case let me go back to automatic date and time zone. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.